Today's topic classes of exempted advertisement means here any advertisement which are relating to the drug printed or published by the government with prior as per the mission of the government. And second one, any advertisement which are relating to the drug which has been sent confidentially in prescribed manner to the RMP. RMP means registered medical practitioner. And advertisement which are including with the book dealing or any relating to the disease which has been prohibited. So the prohibited which has been published from the pronified scientific which has been displayed. And next here the sign or the notice which has been displayed by the RMP on the premises by indicating the treatment for the disease or the disorder which has been specified in the section 3. And next here the in that first classes means any advertisements which are relating to the drug printed or published by the government with the prior permission of the government. Second one, any advertisement which has been relating to the drug which has been sent confidentially in prescribed manner to the registered medical practitioner. And also the advertisement which are including in the book means which has been written in the printed composition which has dealing with the relating to the disease. And here the any sign board or the notice which has been displayed by the registered medical practitioner on the premises, so that will indicating the treatment for the disease or the disorder which has been specified in the section 3. And also rules which has been made under this in this premises. And next one, any advertisement which are relating to the drug printed or the published by the person with the previous section of the government which has been prior to the commencement of the Drug and Magic Remedy Act in 1963. And also they will provide the government provided the government for the reason to be recorded in written withdrawn of the section written withdrawn with the section after giving the person on the opportunity showing which a case against which has been withdrawn, means what are all the case which has been withdrawn from the advertisement. So the advertisement government they will give the permissions. And next here the advertisement which has relating to the drug compile with the required condition as follows. In that first one, leaflet or the literature literature along with the packing of the drug means that is the advertisement of the drug in medical, pharmaceutical, scientific or the technical journal. And also leads with the therapeutic index means that is the price list which has been published by the licensed manufacturer, importer or distributor of the drug, or the medical literature which has been distributed from the medical representatives. And also advertisement which has been made with the label or the set of instructions which has been permitted under the drug and cosmetics acts and their rules. And the advertisement should contain only the information and they have the required guidance of the registered medical practitioner. According to the registered medical practitioner means first one, that is therapeutic indication, various route of administration and dosage, side effects of the drugs, and precautions to be taken within the drugs. and also distribution of the drugs. So the distribution of the drug that will depend on the, that should be given in the registered medical practitioner, dispensary and hospital, medical and research institute, chemist and druggist or the pharmacist. These are all the various classes of exempted advertisements.